Are you dreaming of becoming a millionaire someday? Are you wondering how the rich and successful people around the world build powerful networks to achieve their goals? Well, you're in the right place because we're about to share with you the secrets behind their success. First of all, let's define what networking means. Networking is all about connecting and building relationships with people in your industry or field of interest. It's not just about exchanging business cards or adding friends on LinkedIn. It is about building authentic relationships that can provide you with valuable opportunities throughout your career. So, how do the rich and successful people build powerful networks? Here are some tips and strategies that you can use to grow your own network. 1. Attend networking events. One of the best ways to meet new people and expand your network is to attend networking events. These events are usually geared towards specific industries or professions, and they provide an excellent forum for networking with like-minded people. To find these events, you can start by searching online, checking with your professional associations, or attending events hosted by your industry's trade groups. It's important to note that you should attend these events with a plan and not just randomly approach people. Be sure to have your elevator pitch ready to introduce yourself and show your interest. 2. Join professional organizations. Joining a professional organization or association is another great way to build a network. These organizations generally provide resources, events, and other opportunities which help members connect with others who have similar interests. You could also consider starting your own professional group to bring together individuals in your industry or niche. This could help you become an influential leader in your industry and build a powerful network of connections. 3. Master the art of small talk. Small talk may seem meaningless, but it is one of the most powerful tools for building relationships. Small talk helps to break the ice when meeting new people and could set the tone for a long-lasting relationship. When engaging in small talk, seek to be interested in the other person and avoid constantly promoting yourself. Inquire about their interests, career objectives, and hobbies. This can help you find common grounds and establish rapport. 4. Build online presence. With social media, reaching out to people online has become a lot easier. As a result, it is important for you to build up your online presence to expand your network. Ensure your LinkedIn profile is optimized and presentable by showcasing your expertise and skills. You could also start your own blog or website in your niche to showcase your knowledge. This could help position you as an influencer in your field and bring in more opportunities in terms of referrals or job offers. 5. Give before you ask. When networking, it is critical to keep in mind that it is not all about you. Focus more on what you could provide to others than what you can get from them. Offer them a hand, provide valuable insights or human resources, and be friendly. Doing these things could establish long-lasting relationships with others and find opportunities that may lead to becoming a millionaire. Above all, treat others the way you'd want to be treated, and build trust with your network. 6. Attend conferences and seminars. Like networking events, conferences and seminars offer excellent opportunities to grow your network exponentially. Not only do these events provide educational opportunities to enrich your knowledge in your field, but they also bring together leaders in your industry. By attending these events, you can engage with others in your field, exchange valuable information, and form deeper connections with peers and mentors alike. 7. Pay it forward. When you're successful, remember to pay it forward by helping others. Share valuable insights, introduce them to people in your network, and offer your assistance to others. This could create a ripple effect which may bring in more opportunities to you. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the art of networking is key to accomplishing your goals and establishing your millionaire status. Remember to diversify your channels by building online presence, attending seminars and conferences, and joining professional organizations. Furthermore, focus on providing value to others, engage in small talks, and say yes to new opportunities. By following these guidelines, you could form long-lasting relationships with peers and mentors alike and build a powerful network to make your dreams a reality. Remember that every connection counts towards becoming a millionaire.